business, being decisive is often seen as the mark of a great leader. But what if your hasty decisions are leading you down the wrong path? In Decisive, Chip and Dan Heath show how to make better choices by avoiding common decision-making traps. Decisive explores the psychology behind decision-making, offering a framework to avoid impulsive, biased, poorly reasoned decisions. The Heath brothers argued that while decisiveness is important in business, it is just as critical to slow down, analyze, and make smarter, more thoughtful choices. One key takeaway is to beware the four villains of decision making: narrow binary framing, confirmation biases, short term emotions, and overconfidence. The Heaths explain how these traps lead leaders to rush into poor decisions, and they provide practical tools to avoid them. Another insight is the importance of creating a process for decision making. Instead of relying on gut instinct or pressure to act quickly, the Heath brothers advocate for using structured methods to weigh options, consult others, and consider long-term consequences. Finally, Decisive emphasizes that the best leaders aren't just fast, they're strategic. The Heaths argue that slowing down and taking time to gather the right information can lead to far better outcomes than rushing to act just for the sake of being decisive. For business leaders, Decisive is a reminder that speed isn't everything. Implementing a structured decision-making process, like asking for multiple perspectives or playing out different scenarios, can help you avoid costly mistakes and keep you from being labeled as reckless or impulsive instead. In both the legal and the business world, I've seen too many decision makers confuse speed and confidence with quality. Hasty decisions often lead to trouble, and Decisive offers a way to slow down and get it right. Have you read Decisive, or do you have tips for improving decision making in business? Share them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick book reviews.